India da lairiba Oncologists singi oiba numit nini chathagadaba Oncocon 2025 conference ngasidagi chingmairong da laiba classic grand day da hokre cancer haibalaina asi amukhak lying ngaga yadaba matam sangna changba laina makhalamani lying bada matam sangna changba asina maram oiraga lying bada su chhel changbana miyamna awaba mayok nei haina Society of Medical Oncologists of India ge Patron Suweriba Babina Group of Companies KCMD Dr. Thangzam Dhablina Fongdorakli. Ngasidagi Horiba Conference as Society of Medical Oncologists of India na NEISSTM Amasung We Care Foundation ga kursam naduna pangthokpani. Conference as the Lebak as the Ladiba Oncologist, Medical Professional, Researcher, Amasung Mahirui Singna cancer lying gi matangda amasung bone marrow transplant ke anoba development amadi challenges singi matangda khananai nagani Thoramaduga mari lenana paumi singa unabada Dr. Dhabli na makhatana miyamna Manipur gi mapalda maruina Delhi amasung Mumbai na chingbada chatuna cancer lying bada duki mate sel yamna changi Miyamna thengnaba awaba amadi khudongchadaba asi kokpa ngamnanabagi pandamda Babina Specialty Hospital, American Oncology Institute Imphal na cancer gi mapung phaba treatment lamdam asida phanghanba hokibani haina phongdoki
Koigi kanosi American Oncology Institute at Babina Specialty Hospital sida mayam nei khanbi ramni masi expensive orangmani do government literary moving sangmanga mamoi gan khanbi rambi ai loina bada dum open tawi koigi government gi scheme PMJY CMHT scheme adum chanai mipum kodemak adum koigi da laiba facilities koigi mayam adum lobi be ani sigi phibam ji lairakanda mayam na mapan da chalaga layeng bagi se thadongna thare trabain khalli mapan chatpai si matam mangi submit na na bam than chatpe ade party yagodoni ani hum chatkani duga ada yam sangna mu leitharakadoi leibam gi waba dei paisa so chalaga hen chang heli punang si engoraga koina yam da build tawjin basi akoi da sida loina facilities lairabana kedobagi koi mapan da chakadoi no heba
Amaramda American Oncology Institute Imphal da cancer treatment ke awatpa amata leite bone marrow transplant for hospital asina tawbangamle haina Oncocon 2025 ke organizing chairman Dr. Thaudem Tomchana Fongdorakli Paumi Singonaba Amaduda Dr. Tomchana Makataraduna Manipur gi mapanda leiriba aphava cancer hospital singa yengnabada hospital asigisu Thoidongna awatpa amata leite hairaduna hospital asina paikhatliba chawkhat khongthang singi matangda wafam kaya thamlakhi conference adu hogdokpada saruk yakiba Manipur University gi vice chancellor professor and Lokendra nasu Babina Specialty Hospital American Oncology Institute Imphal yauna oncologist sing amadi policy makers sing na lamdam asida sel yamna changhandana cancer gi mapung phaba treatment pinabagi damak lokhatliba thabak thoram singda thagatpa phongdokhi
Pet city hari city pet matang city scan su yaar bani ang nang taw the whole body is loin khang kok tagi ton bausi ang tang scan taw da cancer kai le ji loin khang adunya lying ba hawdri cancer staging lab da amaru ba kai kai ana le yeng tho ga confirm dor matung staging mun lab da ya de staging fa na khang ba dei kai treatment na fa ne na koi tumor board su le koi sidai sa koi India le ba American Oncology Institute Hospital se around 20 ma le mayam si sidai loin pukhala ga koi khana da mayam se loin yaw de ni ana sigil level of gi thak se dum le main tor ga mai san treatment jadum piba international level hospital haiba yare ko nasai India gi aso city ga compare to bi matang e ga do e ko adum sida loina mo at par ni ke su thotun anop kaim le loin taw
and I would like to request to generously connect and interact with the young researchers in this area of study. To our young doctors and students in the audience, may today inspire you to lead the next generation of breakthrough on oncology. Let us work together towards a future where quality cancer care is not a privilege but a right for every citizen.